Looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift for your lady? You're not alone. Love and pressure are in the air, but we're here to help with our ultimate gift guide. We've curated a list of diverse ideas, mixing purchasable and DIY gifts to cater to various tastes, budgets, and time constraints. Let's get started with our ultimate Valentine's Day gift guide. First up, let's delve into some store-bought presents that are guaranteed to win over. Flowers are a timeless selection, and there's a reason why they never go out of style. They're vibrant, sweet-smelling, and can instantly uplift anyone's mood. Pay attention to her favorite flowers, or opt for roses, the universal emblem of love. Now, if you're seeking something more everlasting, jewelry is the top choice. It doesn't have to be opulent. A subtle necklace, earrings, or a plain bracelet can say a lot. Don't forget to take into account her fashion sense. Is she a fan of gold or silver? Does she lean towards minimalist styles or something more intricate? And who can leave out chocolates? They're not just scrumptious, but versatile. There's so many kinds to choose from, so pay attention to her favorite go-tos. Or choose premium chocolates, perhaps even bespoke ones if you can locate them. The goal here is to demonstrate that you've gone beyond the usual for something extraordinary. Naturally, these are only a few of the numerous store-bought choices available. You might also consider a novel by a beloved author, a record of her favorite band, or even a tech device been longing for. The crucial thing is to consider her preferences, hobbies. After all, a gift is a gesture that says, I know you, I listen to you, and I value you. Bear in mind, it's not about the price tag, but the thought and effort you invest in selecting the perfect gift. Now let's move on to some DIY gift ideas that are not only wallet-friendly, but also incredibly thoughtful. Picture this, a romantic dinner at home, a feast prepared from scratch. It needn't a Michelin star-worthy meal, just something you've dedicated your time and effort to. Accompany it with their beloved wine, light up a few candles, and voila. You've crafted an intimate, warm dinner date that's bound to leave an impression, or perhaps more inclined towards penning your thoughts. In that case, a heartfelt handwritten letter could be your path. Spill your emotions onto the paper. Let them comprehend how much they are valued by you. Don't forget, it's not about grand gestures of love, but the authenticity of the words that truly count. And if you're someone who's skilled at freezing moments, why not create a custom-made photo album? Gather those spontaneous clicks, those secret moments, and assemble them into a chronicle of memories. It's a palpable memento of your time spent together, a reminder of your shared joy. But what sets these DIY gifts apart isn't merely their distinctiveness or the money saved. It's the consideration, the exertion, and the affection you've invested in crafting something exclusively for them. These DIY gifts are evidence that sometimes the best things in life truly are free. Finally, let's delve into some out-of-the-box date ideas that you can design for Valentine's Day. If you're both aficionados of the sea, why not engineer a charming picnic on the sand? Bring along her most loved snacks, a comfortable blanket, and bask in the twilight together. Alternatively, if you're more of homebodies, a movie night in the comfort of your own home might just be the perfect plan. Pick a movie you both adore, or perhaps one she's been eager to see, pop some popcorn, and prepare for a snug evening. If you're up for a thrill, ponder over a surprise road trip. Select a location she's been itching to explore, or just hit the road and see where the journey leads you. The main aim here is to make the voyage as pleasurable as the final stop. No matter what you decide, remember to strategize in advance to ensure a stress-free day. And most importantly, personalize it. Bear in mind, Valentine's Day is about expressing your love and gratitude, so whatever you opt for, ensure it resonates with your heart. So there you have it, gentlemen, a comprehensive list of gift and date ideas for Valentine's Day. Remember, it's not about the size of your wallet, but the effort you put into making the day special.